In the year 3050, humanity had reached the stars, establishing colonies on distant planets. Among these colonies was the vibrant, technologically advanced world of Nova Terra. Here lived Aline, a spirited young woman with a thirst for adventure. Aline had always dreamed of exploring the galaxy, following in the footsteps of her ancestors who had once roamed the Earth. One evening, while working at the Nova Terra spaceport, Aline received an encrypted message on her personal communicator. It was from her long-lost father, a renowned explorer who had vanished on a mission years ago. The message contained coordinates to an uncharted region of space and a plea for help. Determined to uncover the truth and find her father, Aline prepared her sleek starship, the Eclipse. She gathered a diverse crew: Zara, a brilliant engineer with a knack for gadgets; Kai, a former soldier with unmatched combat skills; and A5, an advanced AI with a personality as quirky as it was helpful. Their journey began with a jump through the Stargate, propelling them into the unknown. The coordinates led them to a mysterious planet, covered in bioluminescent forests and strange, towering structures. As they landed, they encountered an ancient alien civilization known as the Luminara, who had been living in harmony with nature for millennia. The Luminara welcomed Aline and her crew, revealing that her father's mission had been to recover a powerful artifact known as the Stellar Prism. This ancient relic had the power to manipulate space and time, and it had fallen into the wrong hands, a malevolent empire called the Draconis Syndicate. Guided by an ancient prophecy, the Luminara believed that Aline was destined to reclaim the prism and restore balance to the galaxy. With new purpose, Aline and her crew set out to find the artifact, following clues left behind by her father. Their quest took them to the Forbidden Nebula, a perilous region of space filled with deadly asteroids and spatial anomalies. Navigating through this treacherous terrain, they discovered an abandoned space station, once a secret research facility. Inside, they found logs detailing the Syndicate's experiments with the prism, and a hidden map leading to their base. During their exploration, they were ambushed by Syndicate forces. In a thrilling space battle, Kai's combat expertise and Zara's quick thinking saved the day, but not without heavy damage to the Eclipse. With the help of A5's repairs, they managed to escape and set course for the Syndicate's stronghold. Aline and her crew infiltrated the Syndicate's heavily fortified base on the planet Draconis Prime. They fought their way through waves of soldiers and robotic sentinels, uncovering the Syndicate's plan to use the Stellar Prism to conquer the galaxy. In a climactic battle, Aline confronted the Syndicate's ruthless leader, General Varek. With the help of her father's journal and the Luminara's wisdom, she managed to outsmart Varek and reclaim the prism. The artifact's immense power surged through her, revealing a vision of her father's final moments and his hope for her success. With the prism secured, Aline and her crew returned to Nova Terra. The Luminara celebrated their victory, and Aline was hailed as a hero. Using the prism's power, she sent a signal through space and time, bringing her father's ship back from the void. Reunited at last, they shared stories of their adventures and the legacy they would continue to build together. Aline's journey had only just begun. With the Stellar Prism now a beacon of hope, she vowed to explore the farthest reaches of the galaxy, uncovering its mysteries and protecting its wonders. The stars awaited her next adventure, and she knew that with her loyal crew by her side, anything was possible.